Welcome to another video. My name is Lyle, where you're living your life every single day. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do legs and probably a little bit of abs, because I haven't done abs in a long time. So in the meantime, get myself prepared over here. If you are serious about your leg workouts, these are the tools that you may need, especially for me. It's like everyone has their own individuality as well as their own way of training. So this is what I normally train with. Jordans come off. All right, these are my walking shoes. These are my serious shoes. All right, and now the whole purpose of why I bought my band with me. I necessarily don't like doing squats, so squats aren't like my favorite leg exercises to do. I don't like the impingement with my shoulder. Do I have to hold the bar back this way? So that's the reason why I chose to use the hack squat. The hack squat is actually one of my favorite exercises to do for legs. There is a big difference between using a band as well as just going freestyle without the band. And I'll show you. Put it underneath here. All right. And the reason why I like hack squats is because you can get your ass all the way to the grass. Band makes it so much better and so much easier, and it kind of like alleviates any type of tension or any type of worries that you have. If you come down too far, it cannot get back up from the hack squat. I was ready for this. If you want more like quad activation, sit yourself up in this position, hold on to the sides, and extend up this way. Last set. Let's do this. I'm gonna lean all the way back this time, see how it feels. Big time. Tell you, after this, I think I'm gonna go for a steak. Moving on to hamstrings. The same thing applies, like the leg extension. You wanna make sure that your leg is even with the axis of rotation. That's what the axis of rotation is for the seating position. So you're gonna move this back, okay? You wanna set yourself in, lock it all the way down. Make sure it snaps, then you pull it all the way in, and then up slowly. Now the sled I don't normally do with legs, but today I'm going to start adding them to my routine. You can use the sled. It's actually really good for glutes, hamstrings, quads, pretty much everything. Let's get this going. All right. Crazy. All right, feet here, parallel with the body, knees even with the shoulders, feet. The reason why I have the flat shoes is because I keep them nice and flat against the press. So as you're pushing up with your heels. Okay, all the weight is coming down on my heels, and I'm coming down slowly until it clicks, and then right up. One. And now the calves, right in the middle of your feet, right here. Drop down and squeeze, one. Keep the calves activated. You don't have to go too far down, right about here. All right. Just like I said to you before, I'm going to finish off with abs. So here I am.
They try to bring me down, but I stay strong. Flexing on these haters all day long. 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 Flexing on these haters, watch me shine. Every move I make, I redefine.
That was the leg workout with a little abs towards the end. If you liked this video, if it was of value to you, please subscribe. Also, like the video. That will definitely help me out. And once again, my name is Lyle, where you're living your life every day. I'll see you in the next video.